Hello, friends. Very good morning. Warm welcome to our channel once again. I am excited with new month series of important day and date series. Here I am back with November month important day with themes. I am very encouraging with your comments and like to our work. So much appreciation to us. Still, who have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe for exciting and knowledgeable video. You will be first notified when we will upload our video. Also, you can check other months important day and date series in our channel. Link will be given below. Once again, thanks to everyone for support. Hope you will be appreciate this month video also. Let's start the November month series. On 1st November, we are celebrated World Vegan Day. The day is celebrated to spread benefits of veganism for human, non-human animal and natural environment and to promote the benefit of a vegan diet and veganism in general. On 2nd November, we have celebrated International Day to End Impunity for Crime Against the Journalist. On 5th November, we have celebrated World Tsunami Awareness Day. This day is celebrated to spread awareness among the people, the world in matters related to the danger of tsunami. This year theme is Sendai 7 campaign. On 6th November, we have celebrated International Day for preventing the exploitation of the environment in the war and armed conflict. On 7th November, we have celebrated National Cancer Awareness Day. World Cancer Day is celebrated on 4th February in the every year. The day is celebrated to spread awareness of cancer, its symptoms and treatment. Cancer is the second leading cause of death of globally. Basically, here we have seen two dates. One date it is for 4th February is the World Cancer Day and 7th November is National Cancer Awareness Day. On 8th November, we have celebrated International Day of Radiology. The motto of International Day of Radiology this year theme is radiologist and radiographer supporting patient during COVID-19. Also, 8th November, we have celebrated World Urbanism Day, World Town Planning Day. The day was first celebrated in year of 1949. Also, we have celebrated on 9th November National Legal Service Day. The day was celebrated to commemorate the enactment the Legal Service Authorities Act 1987. On 10th November, we have celebrated World Science Day for Peace and Development, and this year theme is Science for and with Society. On 11th November, we have celebrated National Education Day. Also, we have said that Rashtriya Shiksha Divas. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. On 12th November, we have celebrated World Pneumonia Day. This day was first celebrated in the year of 2009. Also, we have celebrated Public Service Broadcasting Day. This day is celebrated to commemorate the first visit of Mahatma Gandhi to the studio of All India Radio, Delhi on year of 1947. On 13th November, we have celebrated World Kindness Day. This year theme was the world we make inspire kindness. Also, we have celebrated on 13 November National Ayurveda Day. The day is first celebrated in the year of 2016 on the day of Dhanavanti Jayanti. This year the day is fall on 13 November 2020. As per Dhanavanti Jayanti, we have celebrated every year, but in this year it is coming on 13th November. On 14th November, we have celebrated World Diabetes Day, and this year theme is the nurse and the diabetes. On 14th November, we have celebrated Children's Day. The day was celebrated every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. The aims of the day was to increase awareness the right, care and education of children. 16th November, we have celebrated International Day of Tolerance. Also, we have celebrated on 16 November, that is National Press Day. This day is celebrated to free and responsible press in India. On 4th July 1966, the Press Council was established in India under Press Council Act on 1978. Also, here it is two dates mentioned. One date on 4 July 1966 it is established, but we have celebrated on 16th November every year. On 17th November, we have celebrated National Epilepsy Day. Epilepsy is the disorder in which nerve cell activity in the brain is disturbed, causing seizures. On 18th November, we have celebrated National Naturopathy Day. This day was declared by the Ministry of Ayush on 18th November 2018. On 18th November, we have celebrated World COPD Day. This day was celebrated on the 3rd Wednesday of November every year to raise awareness about COPD, which is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and improve COPD care throughout the world. In 2020, this day is fall on 18th November 2020. On 19th November, we have celebrated World Toilet Day. This year theme is sustainable sanitation and climate change. On 20th November, we have celebrated World Children's Day. World Children's Day was first established in the year of 1954 as Universal Children's Day. 21st November, the World Fisheries Day. This day is celebrated to highlight the importance of healthy oceans ecosystem and to ensure sustainable stock of fishery in the world. This year is the 4th World Fishery Day. Also, we have celebrated World Television Day. The first World Television Forum was held on 1996. On this day, the journalism, writer, blogger, other associated with medium to promote the role of television in communication and globalization. In this November month, we have covered all the important day and date series, and thanks for watching. We will also come with next month, which is December month important day and date series. Keep motivate us for like, subscribe and comment if any suggestion required. Thanks for watching, and thanks once again for appreciation and like our work. Thank you.